The dairy sector has shown strong performance over the past number of years, with on average very strong cash flow performance. There's been a mixture of some very strong income years and then much more difficult years, but the sector has been consistently the most profitable farming sector over time. The medium-term outlook for the sector is positive, driven mainly by a growth in demand for dairy products from developing economies with growing middle classes. Growth in output is expected to lag the demand somewhat. So for Ireland, with a predominantly grass-based dairy system, we're really very well placed to take advantage of the opportunities that exist out there. The planned removal of milk quotas in 2015 offers the sector here in Ireland the first real opportunity to expand production since quotas were introduced. I think there's many challenges ahead, but predominantly the most significant challenge facing the sector is probably volatility in income, arising from volatility in milk prices and also volatility in input prices. So while we expect that milk prices will on average be higher than in the future than they were historically, that's also going to come with greater volatility, and this is a real challenge for farmers to manage. We've seen from the survey that a lot of farmers are already focused on-farm management strategies at both high milk price and low milk price, but I think there's a lot more thought needed around how farmers manage through the cycle. Well, AIB has a long association with the dairy sector, and we've banked it at both processor and farmer level for many, many years. We're working with both, I suppose, our existing customers and new customers to support them in the development of their farms, so with both capital investment on farm and for ongoing working capital requirements. And AIB has a very positive outlook for the sector. It's a sector that's been very good to the bank, that's also always shown a very strong performance, and one that we're looking forward to partnering with into the future.